Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Kele Sasam. This helps in digestion and it also helps in weight gain and it is most loved by kids. So let's see how to make this simple recipe quickly. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of curd, 2 ripe banana chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon jeera and few curry leaf for tempering. Firstly, in a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add mustard seed, jeera and curry leaf to prepare the tempering. Next, in a bowl, add curd, sugar and a pinch of salt and mix everything well. Add the banana to the curd and mix well. Finally, you can add the tempering and your Kele Sasam is ready. Hope you like this video. Do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.